as of Tuesday, we've had 49,755 troops training on the Gap. So well on our way to be another grand year. Our neighbors will be happy to know the 21st is the last of our, what we term our big boom training. In other words, loud. So that'll be some Bradley training. So that'll be good. We have been busy at the Gap last few days with responding to the snowstorm. Over 700 Pennsylvania National Guard troops were on state active duty. For those of you all that don't know, they're commanded and controlled for the Joint Emergency Operations Center at the Gap. So when we're in the height of the snow, those of us that manage the base are busy plowing snow, keeping roads open, supporting that critical mission. Close to the Gap, our soldiers assisted several stuck vehicles on 81-78 corridor right there, so we were glad to have them assist. Have a major effort going on right now to keep the snow off the main active runway at Muir Army Airfield. With the high winds yesterday, our base reservation maintenance, every time they got the runway cleared off, the drifts would come and plow it over. So yeah, we have that capability back. Pending any of your questions or alibi on that, right now we have no troops training on the Gap. That's more weather related, so we're getting things cleared out for about 4,000 of them to show up this weekend. So pending any questions, that's all I have.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.